Alright, now, today we're gonna talk about, first of all, my name Malik, and we gonna talk to you today about uniform, and, yeah, about uniform. Now! Good, y'all. Leekautorepair, hit the like button, make sure y'all subscribe and talk louder, because I got my little heater on for down here. I noticed I ain't really got much on. I just turned that joint on, so it'll probably be warm down here. Running over a broken drill bit. Probably be warm down here in the next 10 minutes, probably. Whatever. Got 10 minutes to kill. So, talk about uniform. So, how many of y'all return y'all uniform for when you quit your job? How many? I think I need to ask myself a question. So, Malik, do you return uniforms when you quit a job? Well, no. To be honest with you, I don't think I do. I'm one of the realest boys y'all probably gonna come across. I like to keep it a bean about everything. Listen, let me just give y'all a little quick rundown on all of the jobs I've been at. Listen, I never really, it just don't never come to mind when I quit a job to like return it to uniforms. Most of the places don't ask. Matter of fact, I take it back. Let me retract that. Places do ask. A lot of places don't pursue on getting them uniforms back. Difference. So, I can like show y'all right now, like y'all think I'm playing. Like I got a little bag right here. Let me show y'all. Plus this work jacket came from, I don't know what dealer, but as you can see it got my name on it. But I always be ripping the the shop name off of it and just leave Leak on it. I don't care. Let's see what else we got here. I got another box too. I got some clothes upstairs too. I got like a lot of work clothes definitely lying around in here. This shirt, this one is the Chevy shirt. As you can see, got the Chevy certified service. They don't put Chevy on it, but they always put like certified service. No, can't wear this. It stinks. What else I got? Let me see. I did have some Honda shirts. No, Honda I did return. I did return them back, but I had like 2 or 3 shirts or whatever, because they were trying to take it out my check or whatever and stuff, but I did return them back. And whenever we talk about it in a second, but I got my Nissan right here, and like I said, I always just like rip off the dealership name off of it and keep it for myself. I'm gonna tell you in a second why I do what I do. So the reason I don't return uniform is just, I just don't care. I really don't care. The only way I take the uniform back is if they threaten to take money out my check or make me pay for the cost of the uniform. Need to like figure that out, what type of job you got, because they assholes over the uniform. You definitely got to bring them back. The same. If they not assholes. Now I had a situation where listen, like I had a couple situations where people they said if I ain't bring my uniform back, then they was gonna take it out my check or whatever. And I would have to wait, and they got to do the difference and give me the rest of the, you know what I mean, from the balance or whatever. Listen, it seemed like I don't know, when I tell people I'm coming in to get my stuff, that's exactly what I do. So I'm coming there, I want to get my pay, all that. You ain't going to prevent nothing. I don't know what it is, like maybe it's like a little intimidation thing. I do bring that to the table, because I don't be playing with jobs. When it's time for me to go, I don't be, you know, getting all friendly, acting all scared or nothing like that. No, I say what I say, I do what I do, and I leave or whatever. So if it comes down to me having a problem getting my tools and getting my money, then somebody get in touch. When I say that, somebody get in touch, and that's the only slang I could give you that don't sound harsh. And if you from the streets, you know what that means, then that's all I got to say. But I'm just saying, you want to get touched if you touch my stuff. That's all I got to say. Now, like I said, some people said bring your check back. I get there, like they just give me the check anyway and don't even ask for the uniform. But listen, I don't care that it goes back onto the job. Like the job gotta cover it. It's a bill. I don't care. I don't ask you for a uniform. If it was up to me, I wouldn't be wearing no uniform. You wanted me to wear the uniform, so you paid for it. But most of the jobs, like, listen, some places I ain't really like, I didn't care. When I get to the point where I don't care overall. So y'all might look at me as like, oh, he's a sinner, or oh, this guy, oh, he's the devil, oh, you know, his negativity, oh, you know, that's wrong. You gonna come back and bite you in the ass for not returning, you know, uniforms back at the dealership. I know shop owners, they got like their own technicians too. Y'all probably might watch this video at some point. Y'all probably got y'all own techs, your own workers there, and they got uniform, and y'all feel rushed. Y'all feel real heavy about that. Listen, cover your butthole. I'm just saying. There's gonna be a lot of people after they watch this video. Probably they're gonna be more encouraged to not bring in their uniforms. So shop owners, your bill will go up after people will see this video. I'm just give it some time. Give it a year, maybe. You know, slowing on the views sometimes or whatever. Give it a year. I give it a year, but I don't care. I just don't care. I don't see myself. Well, I'm not gonna like put myself in that position where I need to worry about stuff like that, whatever. But I do thank jobs for the work clothes, cause too I be needing work clothes too. I ain't gonna hold you. Like I be needing work pants. You know what I mean? Work pants I got a lot of work pants, got a lot of work shirts, got a lot of work clothes. Period. Listen, I'd rather have them pay for my uniform versus me going out and pay my own money. I'm just saying that somebody's got to pay at some point. When I come up there, I tear up my knuckles, tear up my skin, cuts and bruises every day and stuff. This is y'all repaying me. Y'all showing me y'all appreciation. So y'all got to pay at some point. So I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna cut this. Make sure y'all see all of this stuff on the screen. You want to send me stuff through the P.O. Box, Instagram, shirts, car questions, product reviews, all that. I'm just saying. Y'all get at me.